Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content we are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the five, okay, so let's go straight into it right away. Okay, we will be starting with gain next 1200. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using this custom made indicator called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. Okay, if you're having, you can follow up with the analysis. So this actually started a downtrend right from here, switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we can see how it also gave us some sell signals which goes along with the trend. And of course, they started selling right from there, got to this support zone, and it broke out below it to sell more, just the way we are seeing it right now. This is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out the next break out from the next support region, then definitely it will switch back into an uptrend or probably have a pullback. But right now it is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This has also been on downtrend right from here. Okay, it has been selling since then, even though it has gotten to this support region and it has not been able to break out from there. It has been having pullbacks at different stages. Okay, so it had pullback right from here and came back again, and of course right from there went back up again, and of course it is still selling at the moment. It might be trying out, probably it will be trying out this support region again. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will push up back to see if it can go into a full uptrend. But for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. I actually gave out the signal for this particular asset yesterday, and I did that on higher time frame 1 hour. And of course, they made some profits yesterday, even though the trade is still going. It had a major pullback at this point. We actually thought it's going to go on full uptrend, but the pullback was so much that it had to get to this region. But right now it is going back on uptrend again, and it is buying at the moment. Okay, almost achieving the first TP again. Okay, for those that missed out and jumped into it right from here, you should be in profit right now, as a massive profit right now. So if you're still in the trade, congratulations to you all. This is still buying. However, watch out for this region, this resistance zone that it had a major pullback. You should watch out for it. But once it breaks out from there, then definitely it will get to this region and also gets to here. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 actually started an uptrend right from here. Okay, right from here, after switching from downtrend into an uptrend and broke out from the last resistance zone to get to this region. Okay, it had a major pullback, and of course it's going to be going up again to see if it can break out above this. Okay, if it breaks out above this, then definitely it means that the structure has been broken and it will continue with the uptrend. But if it does not, it will go back into a downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. I actually analyzed this on 1 hour time frame this morning, and of course I said this actually we've been on this for days. Okay, when it was coming down, I drew out this trend line on 1 hour time frame. Let me take it to 1 hour time frame just for you to understand what I'm trying to show you. Okay, and of course, I said if it gets to this region and it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will shoot up back. You can see it went up and came down to that stage again, still went back up again, and this time around it's trying to break out from that resistance zone. Once fully broken, then it means it's going to sell fully, and we're going to experience it getting to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if it should break out from here, then definitely it will get to this particular spot also. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So this is going to be selling for long once this is fully broken right from there. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And of course, if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.